lovely day today. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. As always, let me know down below how you are. I am having a massive filming day today, so I'm in a great mood and I needed to do another segment of my Best of Lush series, which is what we're going to be doing today. Very exciting. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through the Best of Lush bath bombs. Now, this is not going to be including any seasonal bath bombs because I feel like I love all the Christmas bath bombs. So this video would be about an hour long going through every single bath bomb on the website, but I have narrowed it down to 9, which is quite a lot still. However, I couldn't not. So I've got 9 basically to share with you that I've been absolutely loving, ones that I'm obsessed with, ones that I've used more than once, and ones I think that you'll really enjoy. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right in and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first bath bomb I'm going to be talking about is the Groovy Kind of Love bath bomb. Now this bath bomb, look at it. Firstly, it looks amazing and it does not disappoint when you use it in the bath. It is a beautiful rainbow bath bomb that just looks incredible. It is £5.95, so it is a little bit expensive, but it is a really lovely, warming, lemony kind of scent. That's the scent I get from it anyway. I think, let me check the ingredients, it's ylang ylang, bergamot and rosewood. So I get a really like woody, lemony scent to it. I don't know about you guys, but that's what I kind of smell. There's not so much I can say about this bath bomb other than it makes your bath look like a beautiful rainbow, and I feel like everybody wants that. So that's why I included this one. I really, really love it, and I think you guys would really, really love it too. Next up, we have an absolute classic, and that is the Dragon's Egg bath bomb. This bath bomb is beautiful. It's got confetti, popping candy, and gold glitter in. Like, what more could you want in a bath bomb? Do you know what I mean? It's kind of got everything you want, really. This one is £3.95, so it is considerably a lot cheaper than the previous one, and this one is lemon, bergamot, jasmine and popping candy. It's just amazing. I love it. The next one is one which was released not overly long ago. I think it's been about 2 years maybe, and that is the Comforter. Now, this one was released because obviously the Comforter Bubble Bar is delicious and amazing and a 10 out of 10. So when I heard that they were bringing this bath bomb out, I was like, stop, wait a minute, I need to buy 10. And I bought 3 and it was just amazing. It's just such a beautiful bath bomb. My friend Zoe really loves it. I'm pretty sure Beth likes it. Did she buy one? I can't remember. I basically tell all my friends to buy this one because it's amazing and it makes your bath a beautiful pink colour, smells like bubblegum, smells like Ribena, and you can definitely mix this with the Comforter Bubble Bar that wasn't English, to have an ultimate bath time experience. I love it. It's so good. That one is also £3.95. I don't know whether I said that or not. And ingredients wise, it's blackcurrant and bergamot. So it's delish. I love it. Next up is Marshmallow World. Now this bath bomb I've mentioned in a few videos because it was so surprising to me that I loved it that much. Like, the scent is really nice. It's like a light, sweet, marshmallowy type of smell. So I am really into that scent anyway. But in the water, this just smells heavenly. It's so, so good. This one is £5.95, so it is a little bit more expensive, but it's definitely worth it in my opinion because it smells amazing. Ingredients wise, I'm just reading it off my laptop. This one has vanilla absolute, granulated sugar, lavender oil and marshmallow root powder. Is marshmallow root a flower? There's a picture of a flower. I don't know. Anybody who knows the answer to that question, please let me know because that's interesting. But yeah. 10 out of 10. I love that. The next bath bomb is something which I don't really mention a lot on my channel, but it is definitely underrated and it definitely needs a spot in this video, and that is the Avocado bath bomb. This one is £3.95, so again is a little bit more on the cheaper side of things, but it is still relatively kind of not expensive, but it isn't cheap for one bath, if you know what I mean. But this bath bomb basically is avocado, lemongrassy goodness. It doesn't smell like avocado because, as you guys know, I hate the smell of gardeny smells. However, this just smells like fresh lemongrass, lemon smells. It's really good. If you are really into Lush bath bombs, you probably have tried this one. This is the Intergalactic bath bomb, full of glitter, full of colour. Definitely don't wash your hair in it because you'll have glitter and blue dye probably stuck to your hair for a very long time. But this one smells like peppermint. It's really fresh, really like, what's the word? It's very in your face, like it's not a subtle smell, so if you don't like strong scents you won't like it. But it's just so beautiful in the water that you just have to try it, and I think that even if you were to cut this in half, it's still really good. And I've even used a quarter of one of these before and it's still been amazing, so you could definitely get more than one bath out of this if you wanted to be a little bit more savvy with your bath bombs. It does cost $4.95, so if you cut it into 4 it's really not that expensive per bath, if you know what I mean. But it's just amazing, like it looks like a galaxy, it's just the best one. And when this came out, this was the most popular bath bomb I think I've ever had to deal with when I worked there. Like it was just, everyone went nuts for it. It was just amazing. So if you haven't tried it, Intergalactic is so good and definitely worth a go. The next bath bomb is Goddess, which was obviously inspired by the Ariana Grande God is a Woman song. That is the hardest sentence I've had to say. Ariana Grande, God is a Woman song. Not only does this one smell like jasmine and sandalwood, so it smells amazing, it also looks stunning. It's $5.95, it is relatively expensive, but in the water it's this beautiful lavender lilac like swirly colour. I have got a demo of this over on my Instagram, so if you haven't seen it, feel free to go and follow over there. It's on my Lush highlight, which has a lot of demos on, so if you want to watch that, please do. But yeah, I love this one. I have definitely used it a few times and it is an absolute favourite. I think that it's a great one. I'm glad they kept it. I thought it was going to be a limited edition, but apparently not, so I'm really glad they've kept it on because it is amazing. Next up we have another $4.95 number, and that is the Peachy Bath Bomb. This one again was released for Valentine's Day, then they moved it to be a permanent feature, and I'm so glad they did. This smells amazing. It smells, I don't want to say it smells like peach, it's got a lot of fruit in it. It's got peach, grapefruit and that kind of stuff, but it doesn't just smell of peach, it has got a really like fruit salady smell to it. I don't really know how to describe it. It is so good though. This one makes the water a really beautiful peachy colour obviously. It's got a really nice kind of foamy fizz to it as well, so it just looks stunning in the water, makes your skin feel so soft, and I love it. And also it looks really cute because it's in the shape of a peach, so I love that one. And last but definitely not least, I am going to mention one more bath bomb, and I would like you guys to write down below what you think it is. I'm going to pause and let you do that. Let me know when you're done. Are you done? Okay, fantastic. So the last bath bomb I'm going to recommend for you guys is the Twilight bath bomb. Now this bath bomb is $3.95, but honestly I would still love it if it was £6. This bath bomb is heavenly. It's lavender, tonka, vanilla, it's pink on the outside, it's blue in the middle with some silver glitter, and it just is the best. I can't even describe it any better than that, apart from it is the actual best thing in the whole world. So if you haven't tried it, please go and try it. If you don't like the smell of lavender, then it's probably not for you, but if you do like the smell of lavender, thank me later. It's amazing. So that's everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I hope you guys are still enjoying this Best of Lush series. Let me know down below, and if you can think of any other Lush themed series that I could do on my channel, do let me know down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would highly appreciate it. I would love to hit 10k next year, and as soon as we start getting nearer to 10k, I am going to be doing a massive giveaway, so make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys!